Yo, let me tell you something. When the NFL starts, let's even go before the NFL. Preseason, the draft, as soon as the Super Bowl is over, us NFL fans, we have nothing to do. We are bored out of our minds. We talk about fantasy at work. We talk about it with friends. We talk about it at home. We watch highlights. We watch the NFL Network talking about the next season. We have drafts. We go to the bar. We cannot get enough of this sport. Let me tell you something. I'm a Panthers fan myself, so I'm used to disappointment. And during the preseason, when I found out that Kelvin Benjamin tore his ACL for the season, cries, bro, cries. I'm talking listening to all Drake's albums, cry. I'm talking when doves cry. Excuse me, I'm at work right now. I probably shouldn't even be recording this video, but I just wanted to get it out there. I watched the NFL this Sunday, and I was in pure, blissful heaven. That hiatus, the women hate it, but us guys, and maybe some other girls, I don't want to be on no feminist shit. I know people get pissed off about everything nowadays. We love it. Love it. Literally, from when I wake up to before I go to bed, I get to watch football. The 1 o'clock game, the 4 o'clock game. There's football tomorrow. And not one, but two fucking games. Thursday, football. I cannot get enough of this shit.